class, we are testing out Falscara. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I could not find it online for the life of me, and then I don't go to the stores very much. So I finally did, and I finally got it, and so we are trying it. Falscara. Apparently, it's the new way to lash. They also say, if you can mascara, you can Falscara. Silly. Now, I was just gonna get the Falscara part because I know you can just get that and use your own lashes by trimming them up, but I was there reaching for the Falscara all by itself. I was like, you know, kind of just want the whole experience. So I got the whole thing. We're gonna do the whole experience. So we are going to bond, seal, and apply the wisps. So it comes with the Falscara, the applicator, and the lashes, which I was not expecting this to come out of here, but it does. Okay, so this little guy comes right off the top, exposing the lash and allowing you to grab it out. And then I guess when you're done with them, you can put them back in here, maybe. Let's bond these bad boys. Very tiny little spoolie. Do you see how tiny that is? My goodness. Kind of smells like, I almost want to say tofu. It says a little bit goes a long way. I'll tell you what I was not expecting. I was not expecting this to have a pigment. It's almost like a mascara, and I am like a little bit in love with how small and tiny this brush is. I want a mascara like this. This is so cool. Okay, and I've grabbed a lash and okay, let's get another lash. So this isn't like as easy peasy as I thought it was gonna be. So I'm kind of doing what I do to my normal lashes where I push up and in, and I feel like that's helping. And they gave 5 segments and I only used 4. So that could be helpful. So you don't have to use them all. And gosh, they do look really good, but I feel like they were a little hard to put on for the first time, harder than I anticipated. But I think doing multiple times, you definitely get the hang of it. So far, so good. Let's seal it up. And this sealer is super small too. I feel like the Bond one had like a slight curve to it. This one is just completely straight. And this one reminds me of like glue, kind of like eyelash glue, to be honest. All right, I'm gonna finish the other one up off camera and then I'll tell you my thoughts. Let me jump in and say something that's helping right now. I'm on the 3rd one on this eye, and it was hard because I was holding a mirror to see what I was doing. I'm kind of like lifting up on my eye a little bit and then putting it in, and that's really helping me get a better fit. Okay, that just made a world of difference. The whole lifting of the eye situation really made it so much more easy. And I'm kind of glad I experienced it both ways though, because it kind of led me to discover the better way to do it. And my hand naturally, when I wasn't on camera, went like this, and I was like, oh, that's what you're supposed to do. So definitely do that. Oh my gosh, it was so easy doing it that way. And I feel like they look so good. And then like even looking from the top though, there's like, it looks like it's completely your lash, completely. Well, gosh, that was so fun. Like, I kind of don't even like feel them. Maybe a little bit over here. I feel like the next time I do these, I'm gonna do them even better. I feel like this end one, I could have got the end just like a little bit closer, but again, it was the very first one I was putting on, so I expect it to be the worst. But if this is the worst, then it's not bad. Like, anyone can do this. I would say if lashes are an issue for you, give these a whirl. They're kind of amazing. Now, are they as dramatic as my normal lashes? No, but again, these are the lashes that they provided. So I wonder what's gonna happen when I use my own lashes with the Falscara. That's really exciting. I can't wait to try that. Maybe I'll film that too when I do that. But I really do think these are awesome. I give them like a 9.5 out of 10. I don't know if there's perfection out there, but I need to leave room for perfection. But this is pretty close. These are lashes you can put on when you have no makeup on and you just want to add some lashes. I'm really interested to try that, so I'm going to try that too. And on a side note, I did add a little bit of bottom mascara to my lashes just because I like bottom mascara. But before you run to get the Falscara, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. I just wanted you to see a little bit closer. But hey! Hey, if you're new to my channel, I'm Ashley. I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly, along with reviews. So if that interests you like it interests me, please do hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, because that will let you know when I upload a new class so you don't miss out on any of the fun. See you soon.